Jesus.
You know the funny thing? Sometimes when pastor they cover motor with blood of Jesus, they cover passenger, driver there somewhere, they do the wrong thing. You know what be the wrong thing? They do this one. We will come give am plenty name. We say na Ọpẹ́yìn, Adumo, Orowembo, people start.
The truth be say, when you take that thing, they say it dey shine eye. It dey dirty eye, not dey shine eye. E go only make you dey do the wrong thing. How you think say God go hear that kind of prayer when you dey do the wrong thing? There was this driver wey carry yoga. Then they travel. Yoga na father. Yoga come call am. Gabriel. He say, sir. He say, take am easy. Don't go for this where we dey go. Gabriel got confused. Wetin dey worry the baba? Take am easy. Make we reach where we dey go on time. Say baba confused. The interpreter say baba say make him fire down. Now Gabriel increase speed, begin the fire down. When Baba talk, Baba sleep off. As Baba open eye, Baba shout again, Gabriel! He says, sir, I said make you take am easy, make we for reach where we dey go on time. Gabriel still confused. Take am easy. If I take am easy, how will they reach where we dey go on time? As at that time, I comot leg for throttle. You know wetin happen? Tire burst. As tire burst, Gabriel dey shout, Jesus, 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 Jesus. Fortunately, when he comot leg for throttle, motor slow down, so the motor no fall. When he come stop, how Baba call am? Gabriel, he say, sir, he say, I tell you say make you take am easy. He say you no dey hear word. You know say Jesus no like bad thing. Say that time when you dey run, you dey speed, say Jesus no comot for motor. Say because Jesus no like bad thing. Say you get luck, say Jesus never go far, he still dey for near bush. Na the reason why he hear you when you comot your leg for throttle, now we know that. Wetin be the lesson? If you do the wrong thing, if you call God, you no go lis ten. If you call Jesus, you no go lis ten. If you call Allah, you no go lis ten. If you call Muhammad, you no go lis ten. Popularly, people dey say heaven help those wey help themselves. Na know wetin e mean? Although no dey Bible. Wetin e mean be say if you do the right thing, you go get right thing. But if you do wrong thing, you go get wrong thing. Na the reason why we bring this thing. We go carry our testimony. Whether or not they drink. See this thing? We dey call am breathalyzer. You know what they do? It's simple. When we put this one, you go blow air into it as if say you dey blow. If you drink, you go tell us. And the truth we say, if you drink, you no go drive. As we don't tell you now for garage now, e good like this. Because if we catch you for road, and we do this one, you see say you don't drink, you no go go. You go collect your motor. We go give you ticket. And if we give you ticket, you no go drive the motor. Not be say we give you ticket, you go go pay. We go collect the motor. So wait, you go go. You go come tomorrow. We go test you again. If you say day, you go go. If you don't come out pata, you know say drink not dey your body again. We go allow you, you go pay fine. Then you go carry your motor, you go.
Wetin dey cause accident? No be juju, no be devil. Because when the thing happen, e dey look for who go blame. Go say na Satan cause am. No be Satan. Na wetin we dey do wrongly for road na dey cause accident. E get one particular thing wey some of us dey do well well. They say body no be firewood. Some of us we no dey rest. Somebody he travel all the way from Onitsha. He come Lagos. He come reach Lagos for morning. He reach Lagos around 5 a.m. They call am. They say make he come load again. Make he dey go Abuja. Na driver call am say oga, this thing no good. I drive all the way from Onitsha. I no sleep. I reach Lagos for morning. He say make I dey go Abuja. He say he no wan die. Wetin manager do? Manager say you dey craze. Collect motor from am. You carry motor give another person. The man come call me for phone. He say oga see wetin happen. I just dey come from Onitsha. They say make I come go Abuja. And I tell them say e no correct. They don collect motor. I say okay, no worry. We go settle am. I call Abuja. Say see wetin happen for so place. Before you know it, they don call driver. They tell am say wetin happen na why you go call those things? You never reach like that now. Na know wetin happen. The person wey dey carry the motor give no carry motor jam. As una sit down dey lis ten to me now, una dey hear wetin I dey talk. Una dey see me, una know why? Because una no sleep. If sleep come now, you close your eyes, you no go hear wetin I dey talk again. You no go see me. Na the same thing wey dey happen for road. If sleep come, you close your eyes for 2 seconds, wahala don come. I know say sometimes you go don observe when you dey for highway. You go discover say suddenly motor wey dey come for the front, you comot for im lane, you dey face your lane. You know why? Man don sleep. If you too sleep, wetin me be say head on collision. My people, una never ask una sef why e be say motor dey jam head on collision. As mama sit down like this, the two of us dey waka face to face. If we jam ourselves, wetin una go talk? Una no dey see? And the question you ask be that. Because if I dey see, she dey see, we no suppose jam ourselves. As we dey come, wetin I go do? I go comot for road, people waka like this. Also ask driver, wey be say two motor jam themselves, head on position, dem no dey see. So wetin happen? Na im be say for two of them to jam each other, something don happen. It's either one of the driver or two of them go see road. Now the next question be say wetin cause am when dem no see road? It's either one don see the road or sometimes go do the wrong thing. Na no wetin be the wrong thing. Some of us dey go dey overtake or where we no suppose overtake. Here when I talk am before say road dey talk. And the road dey talk to driver no hear. How many of una don see that white line wey dey for road? Sometimes e go straight, sometimes e go break small small. Una don see am? Una know say e get meaning? If you know the meaning, stand up tell us. You dey like this, give it to them. If you look your paper, it goes straight like this one. Sometimes it go break. Okay. Sometimes it go dey like this. What will be the difference between this one and this one?
If you know, raise up your hand, make you tell us. When it is day like this, they talk to driver. They talk to driver when it is day like this. They ask one driver, they say, what did this one mean? He look calm, he balance well. You say, Oga, say that time when government they mark the road, say they get plenty money, so they call they mark the road like this. He say after some time money don't finish, money not dey again. Say they call the penthouse small. That one is serious trouble. If it's straight like this, the road they tell you say make you no overtake. The road they tell you say no switch lane, no move from your lane to the other lane. They tell you say no move. Where you go see am? Most time you go see am for corner. If you dey approach corner, you see this thing, don dey tell you say make you no overtake o, you don dey near corner. You know say if you near corner, you no go see the motor wey dey the other side. Again, some of us dey make mistake. You go say okay, na dual carriageway. Wey be say the motor wey dey come, e dey the other side. You dey this side. Una no fit meet. You still reach corner. You think say because the motor dey the other side, you decided to overtake. Do you know the danger? Danger dey. Na the reason why sometimes you go see bus, you go see car, you go run enter motor wey break down. Driver no see am. If you come out like that, motor break down for corner, the next thing be say you go run enter. The way Oyibo do motor, they no dey force motor stop. Brake, when dey for your motor, you no dey force motor stop. The way Oyibo do am, na small, na motor dey stop if you don dey move. When you hear of ABS, some drivers say na automatic braking system, na lie. Oyibo never do motor wey be automatic. Automatic be say if you just smash the brake, that place where you smash am, the motor go stop for there. That kind of motor no dey. Wetin Oyibo dey call am na anti-lock braking system. I go break am down. Why do they call am anti-lock? You know say motor get 4 tires. If they do the brake such that when you mash brake, the brake will hold it to 4 tires at the same time, the motor will somersault. So that's why they do am. Now 2 will first stop. That's why they call am anti-lock. 2 will first lock. You will release the other one. After some time, you release one, you hold the other one. When the motor don slow down, you hold the fall. Motor no go fall. That's why they call am anti-lock. Now look at it. If motor dey run, you dey do speed, and suddenly you see wahala, na 2 things driver dey do. 2 things. If you suddenly see problem for road, you go match brake, you go swap. Na the 2 things wey driver dey do that. Na the reason why before driver dey die for accident, you know say no hope. There is no driver wey go see wahala, he dey laugh. There is no driver. In fact, na normal thing. No be say because you be driver, if na your wife sit down for there, you no go remember. If you see that wahala, the first thing your mind go tell you na to swap. So you go swap away. You carry the other side go. Na when hope no dey, driver go follow. Now, instead of you to put yourself for that kind of situation, we say avoid the wahala. For you to be able to manage problem, you must manage your speed. As this motor dey here, na no fit cause wahala because you know the waka. But immediately driver enter, you turn ignition, wahala don start. If you move am small, no problem. If you dey 15 kilometers, no wahala. If person enter the front, you fit stop. Even if you climb the person leg, the person no go die. If you take the motor push, the person no go die. But when they don't go past 40, wahala don't come. If you kill person, you will be say take mistake, waka enter. You know say when your motor don dey run well, the motor will turn light. Na no, you don't get weight again. In fact, at that time, the tire, the fork, no dey touch ground, then you no go know. You no go know because you dey inside. You no go know say the motor no dey touch ground again. I will give you an example. Una fit don see accident wey be say motor comot for your lane, e jump all vex go dey the other side. You go come dey wonder, this motor no be aeroplane, how e take happen? Motor no get wings, but how e take fly go the other side? It's very simple. Na speed and brake. You know say when the motor dey run like that, if you force am make e stop, e go fly. If you match brake like that, suddenly, wow, the motor go jump. Because oyibo no design am like that. Wetin you suppose do be say when you see wahala, wetin you go do, you go tap the brake. As you tap am, you remove your leg, wetin happen? The motor will slow down. As you see the waka, you tap am again, e go slow down. By the time when you punch am, wetin will happen? The motor will stop. Now, the only thing wey fit help people to manage the motor like that are two things. Number one, you must be able to see the problem on time. If you see the wahala on time, you go manage the situation. But if you don't see am on time, wahala will come. And number two, make you run too much. If you go jeje, you go reach where you dey go. Somebody dey tell me say he dey do 160 kilometer. In fact, he say don drive this kilometer finish. You know wetin go help una one day if you never go airport before, I wan make una go airport. You go see aeroplane. See how aeroplane dey fly. You know wetin dey make aeroplane fly? Na speed. You won't go do am. That's why they call am runway. If you wan come down, if you wan comot na that road. If time don reach to comot, you go suffer the waka small. You go dey waka small. You no go know. You dey inside, you no go know. You go dey waka small. By the time wey you don position for that road, you don ready. That time you don tell everybody say where your seat belt is. You wan comot for ground. As at that time, those people, conductor wey dey for inside, no say aeroplane get conductor. They get conductor. I don't know, they get conductor. Conductor, they call them, they na grandma, they say na air hostess, na conductor. They go dey waka around o. They tell you say, wear your belt. Madam, off your phone. Madam, your laptop off am. When the aeroplane don ready, the driver, oh my God, they call am pilot, na driver. The driver will tell them say, make una go sit down. I wan comot. Then to go sit down, then to go wear belt. The kind run wey the aeroplane will run that time. Na that speed, that the carry am comot for ground. Now look at it. Aeroplane won't fly. He run. He fly. Your motor na aeroplane. Your motor no be aeroplane. You get wings. You don't get. And you dey run like aeroplane. You don't see where problem dey. You know say somebody wey say they do 160. Oyibo talk say that aeroplane wey you see. 120 if you carry am comot for ground. Some of you will surprise. Go do research. They say plenty factor dey wey dey help aeroplane to fly. Number one, the size of the aeroplane, the weight, all of them dey contribute. That thing wey they call feather, you go dey come out flap. That one, everything dey contribute. Some aeroplane dey wey be say small, e no too big. That kind of aeroplane, if you do 120 kilometers, you go take off. Aeroplane, that place where you for the run, no that day there, you No be only you dey road. Cow dey for road. Me I dey for road. Dog dey for road. People wey dey take like waka dey for road. Danfo dey for road. And you dey do 160. You wan cause problem with that. Yesterday I dey go Abulado. I was telling my colleague around the Charlie Boy bus stop, I saw a dead pedestrian. Apparently, na pedestrian knocked down. The man don't die. He gave a body gun. Maybe he wan cross road. Motor carry am. 2 things again. They do pedestrian bridge. But you know say we dey look for sharp. We no go use am. We wan use road. Make I also tell una this one wey plenty driver no know. Wetin be the difference between highway, expressway, built up area? Wetin be the difference? I go tell una. Some of us dey confuse. The one wey no be express go say na express. No be all highway na be express. A typical express na this social their papa. And a correct express is. You know why be correct express? You drive from here to mile 2. If you miss road or your lower, you go down to mile 2 new. Or if you reach Sele, you go follow that place where you go follow, come climb. Now we dey call interchange. That interchange na for express that is here. They carry traffic comot for major road without no go cause wahala. No U-turn. If U-turn enter, U-turn don spoil am, no be express again. Now, wetin be built up area? Built up area na those places where human activity dey. Where you go see man, you go see woman, you go see boy, you go see girl, you go see keke, you go see motorcycle. People dey around that place. Okay, if we agree, make you look at the same. Make we look at Lagos Ibadan Express now. From Yanoworo, go reach Shagam interchange. How's this day? People dey now. People no dey Babo. People no dey Mowe. People no dey Makoro. People no dey Kara. From there you go see people. From that Yanoworo, go reach Shagam, you go see people. Wetin that one mean be say na built up area. So now we say at one point or the other, somebody fit cross road. Animal fit cross road. Animal fit cross road. Person fit cross road. Now, you dey drive along this road, you dey do 160 kilometers. Why you no go keep person? What of at that speed, mama wan cross road? What do you think will happen? Na the reason why we dey see several pedestrian knockdown. We say when you dey for such area, wetin be the maximum speed? We say 50 kilometers per hour. But instead of doing 50, you are doing 160. So you are creating problem for yourself, you are creating problem for other people. Make you know say not be only you that get right to use the road. Not be only you. You know what they call am? They call am road user. You know say Amos user or Abdullahi user. Say road user. If you say road user, how many people be road user? If you don't drive motor, be road user. You dey take like waka, you be road user. You dey ride bicycle, you be road user. You dey ride motorcycle, you be road user. You dey drive keke maruwa, you be road user. In recent times, we don also see one category. This one dey be mad people. You know what they do? Oyibo dey call them skater.
That thing will get tire for leg. They go wear am for leg. Some dey wear am like shoe. Get tire. Oyibo wey do am na for sports. Whether for dey use am, you no go see motor. You don dey watch dis Olympics wey dey on. You go see am plenty. Sometimes na tire, sometimes no get tire, sometimes they do am for snow. Now, you don't see anything wey come here, you turn out to something else. Now, boys and girls, what do they do? They will carry small bag for back. They go wear the tire. They go come stay for road. And they wait make you come. When they see your motor, small, they go hold the motor for back. Because they carry the travel. If you are not smart, you don't go know. If that man fall, if he fall, you know why you die. You know, say, at that